Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off save video on TikTok. So first of all, open TikTok account, tap on to share icon. Now shown here to save video option. Now I am disable this option from my account. So let's get start. First of all, click on to profile. After that, tap on the three line at the bottom right corner, settings and privacy. At the second option, privacy, scroll down, download, and now you can easily disable this option. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily turn off save video on TikTok. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.